Hey guys, it's Mecca from Mecca Blended Wellness. Are you experiencing back pain because you're sitting down a lot? Let's talk about how we can counter those pains with doing some movement. Now, a lot of people begin to experience pain because when we're sitting down, we're actually putting our body in an unnatural position. We're supposed to be upright. And when we sit, look at my hips. I'm hinging my hips and sitting. So this automatic throws my body off its natural alignment. So remember, if you're sitting down, we're looking at every 30 to 40 minutes. It's time to get up again. Every 30 to 40 minutes, let's rise up, okay? Now, I am trainer, yogi, and a wellness director, okay? So I'm going to show you some different movements that you can do that will make sure that you stop that back pain, okay? Now, again, a lot of times when people tell me they have back pain, there's two things. One is what we're talking about right now, sitting down for long periods of time. And the other one is a weak core. So just to let you know, on top of everything I'm about to show you right now, it is vital to condition your core. Remember, the body is interconnected. That means the front and back is all relatable, okay? If your core is weak, so is your back. If your back is weak, so is your core. All right, so let's get up out that chair and let's get moving. Now, what we want to do is the first movement is kickbacks. This is a simple movement that's going to help elongate your leg so we can focus on that hamstring, your quads, and your glutes, which is all affected when you sit down for extensive periods of time. Now, for this part, I'm going to turn around and just hold on to my chair. I'm planting my left foot firmly into the floor, and I'm going to activate my right leg. So I'm going to bring my foot out about a 45-degree angle, and I'm just going to kick back. So I'm going to come here and then right back. Now, always remember, anytime you're doing any movements, you want to keep your core engaged. So pull in your core, all right? We're going to do about 10 each leg. So my left foot is planted firmly. I'm bringing that right foot out about a 45-degree angle, and I'm coming out, okay? And I'm going to do this about 10 times. And remember, what you do to the opposite side, all right, you're going to do both sides. So this time, planting my right foot firmly. Left foot comes out about a 45-degree angle, and I'm kicking back. Notice how my glutes here is activated. I'm finding that nice elongation within my legs, okay? That's first movement, kickbacks. The next thing we're going to do is to alleviate, we're going to alleviate pain in back, okay, by creating space. So I have a high desk. My desk has two levels. We have this part and this part. Now, I'm going to go for the high part of my desk. Being mindful, if your desk is low, maybe you go and hold on to your chair. So I'm going to hold on right here to the highest part of my desk. I'm resting my palms to my desk, and I'm going to allow my tailbone to come out. And in yoga, we call this tabletop. I'm looking for that tabletop position. All right. Once you get there, I'm going to push my tailbone out, and I'm going to imagine someone is pulling at my hands and get that nice elongation to create space in my back. You can hold it here for about 20 to 30 seconds, walk your feet forward, and do it again as needed. Now, the next movement that we're going to do is post squats. The reason I'm choosing post squats is because you're going to get more with doing less, all right? Because we are at work. So for post squats, I'm choosing sumo squats. So I'm going to bring my stance wider than my hips. My feet, I'm going to turn outward, okay? So turn your feet outward, palms together, and we're going to pulse 1, 2, back up, 1, 2, back up, okay? And we're going to keep doing this a few times. You can do about 10 reps. Remember, Anytime you're doing exercise, we're keeping that core engaged. That means we're pulling in our core nice and tight to improve our stability, okay, and our posture. All right. So we did kickbacks, we did tabletop, and we did post squats. Those are three movements you can do to alleviate back pain for sitting down at your desk. Bye.